Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify web hosting services with Bluehost. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify web hosting services with Bluehost, start by opening your browser and navigating to the Bluehost website. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button and click on it. You'll be presented with various hosting plans. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and click on the Select button. Next, you'll need to create a new domain name or use an existing one. If creating a new domain, type your desired name into the provided field and select your extension. Click on the Next button to proceed. If using an existing domain, choose the option to enter it below. After this, fill out the account information form with your personal details. Make sure to input accurate billing information. Next, review any additional package options that might enhance your hosting service. Uncheck any boxes for features you do not wish to include. Once you've tailored your package to your needs, scroll down to the Payment section. Verify that all your information is correct before clicking the Submit button. After your purchase is confirmed, you will receive a welcome email from Bluehost. Check your email for a link to set up your account. Follow the link and create a password to access your new account. Log in to your Bluehost dashboard using your new credentials. Once inside the dashboard, navigate to the Hosting section to check your services. Here, you can confirm that your hosting plan is active. If needed, explore tutorials and support options available on your dashboard for further assistance. Congratulations, you've successfully verified your web hosting services with Bluehost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.